man. See how I get new phone, no brother. When since I get new phone, dog, you know tell me, oh man, you man dog, I do some A100, no? Say thing by the free guys, let me get in the dog. Take a look, buddy. Oh, but dog, and then you take my phone, yeah? Yo, you see them right in the dog. But not to love them, dog. When they leave on my phone, man. Really, dog, we feel say you know happy for me, dog. So we buy one phone for myself, dog. Because you need to pay your phone, me have to borrow, brother. Are you happy for me? Dog, can't believe it, dog. You most happy for you, dog.
No. Oh, it's a real I want the mom.
You move good, dog. Brother, calm down yourself. It's a fool, it's a chair of people. Watch him. Dog, I'll turn back way, dog. I'm going upside down a chair of people. Calm down yourself. A fool is a chair of somebody, yeah, man. Dog, just a see me, dog. I joke at this.
I eat that crab, no? I'm gonna show my face in a robbery, no? I want to be king one up.
No, God, I guess you're joking, man. You're joking with me.
You know, all the feels there.
Oh, God.
What's this giving?
No. You see me bangers right alone, me have bang.
Oh, bangers are nice, you know. Make sure they have what's not funny, you know. Oh.
Me have no more phone. Oh, me have a knife. You don't know if you want the knife. If
What do you mean?
a knife me have.
For a long time, I want a knife in the kitchen.
Oh, yes. I see my house key here. If you want anything out of my house, I can go take it. My house right round there, so.
What do you mean, sir? So, we don't have no road, then you have no.
That's all me have, family. I have nothing more, sorry. No, yes, man. No, I coward now.
You know, sir, if you ever do that, don't give me everything we have. What kind of idiot phone this man?
I just the phone them me have.
Samsung A100. Bomba. And it looks so simple, dog. Sorry, dog, the screen cracked. This phone is a good dog. He wants to put up this phone cracked. So what yourself?
So I want you die. Nobody kill me. Nobody kill me.
Who say me? Did you tell someone money?
Buy a jinx.
Anyways, thanks.
Yes, I have one new slippers there. You can take it. Yeah.
Brother, custom made. Respect the general. Well, one for my foot in you.
Sir, you have one charger to vaccine fee.
What? Yo. Pussy have charger and want to give me trophy. I'm here.
Brother, we can't chat so man. Force me to want to charger for you buy one next phone.
Stop, you kitchen gun!
Sure. You can't chat so.
Yeah, man. I don't know when I give me phone and no charger. Respect the general. I burn the house and forward.
Yeah, man, sir. Do that, do that. Oh, brother. Can you make man your brother? Yo, you're too fool, man. You're not afraid of getting dog. You told me, man, your brother, no, because he can't believe it, dog.
this letter now. The fuck are you move long time, so enjoy them tears, you fool. Boy, them cheat me.
So man, things should make it to the end of the video. So the thing I want to do there now, I'll link there in the description. Go over RJ2 Crazy channel, subscribe to him. Them say Oden send on there. Comment say Oden TV send on there. Respect and big up on yourself. I'm out.